Yeah, welcome. I just want to make this video, on how you can move from $50 to $1,000 per day in 120 days trading forex. And this is just the part one of this video. I know I've just listed the things you know must do in order to achieve this, and the target is 120 days, and this is just a roadmap. If you are interested, you can follow it, but you need to follow the rules. These are the rules, right? Okay, the first one is, you know um you must have a trading plan that the win rate is 60% and above. If you don't know what a trading plan is, that means you have really not started trading forex. But the thing is that you must, back test your trading plan very, very well, and make sure that in the period you have back tested your trading plan, you have a win rate of 60%. That is, if you look at it within a space of 1 month, all the trade you have taken, and you look at the win, and the win must be 60%. If it is not 60%, that means you might have a little challenge, being able to achieve this purpose. Okay. The number two is you have to get a profile account. There are different prices for profile accounts. There you have to really do your due diligence, yeah, to know the right one for you, and the one that best suits your style. Um, I will still suggest a few in the description, box below. But what I want to do is that want you to know that with $50 you can get $50 and less. For $50 and less, you can get $5,000 trading account, right? So when once you get that, trade it, and then pass the challenge. If you have this kind of win rate, you can really pass the challenge easily, or you can still follow what I am describing below to pass the challenge, right? It will not be take too much time for you to do that. Okay. The number three aspect is that when once you get that $500, trading account, you know, the thing is that you risk only 1% of that account daily. 1% of that account, because what we are looking at here is compounding. We are not looking at being greedy, or being too in a hurry to grow the account, but we just want to be on the safe side, growing the account gradually, so that we will be able to achieve the purpose. So the 1% of $5,000 is $50, right? So every day you take trades, you know that will give you that you will risk $50. Okay, $50, you take trade that you will risk $50. Okay, all right. Then number four is that out of that $50 you are risking daily, you are to take 5 trades, risking $10 on each trade. $10 on each trade. you know when you're risking $10 on each trade, you will be able to like factor out what is the lot size you're using, and what is your where your stop loss is going to be, and all. But the most important thing is that out of the 5 trades you are taking on a particular day, you are going to risk $10. Then the last item on this part is that you are going to repeat the file above. You are going to be repeating this file above, means you are going to just be risking $5. You are going to be risking $50 per trade, $50 daily, you're going to be risking $10 on each trade. $50 daily, $10 on each trade. Why I did this is that on a Profem account, right, you are most of the Profem accounts, you are going to be allowed a drawdown of 5%, 5% at most. And if your total drawdown is like 10%, that account will be taken away from you, in most of the Profem accounts. But here we are dealing with 1%. So on a day that you risk the 1% and you feel that the trade does not go in your way and you lost, or you have lost 50% and you have only lost 1% of your account. So you can just go away and come back the next day. So all in all, if your trading plan win rate is 60% and above, you are going to be doing very, very, very well. And in the next 30 days, I will show you in part two, breaking each and everything down and doing the calculations so that you fully understand, what this is all about. This is just the part one. The part two is coming, whereby everything will be broken down. Yeah. So if you want to follow this, yeah, great. um I just think that this will be of benefit if one can just be put this can be brought to our perspective, and then we'll look at it, and if something you like to follow, you can follow. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to this channel to follow for more, or you can like and share this video so that other people can see it and benefit as well. Just for now, till we bring you the part two of this roadmap. Take care and all the best.